Good morning, everybody. I miss you all, and I hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to get on here and explain what's going to be happening for this week. So the first assignment that we're going to be working on is Khan Academy. All right, so last week everyone did a really nice job in logging in and getting into the assigned classes. If you have not done so already, it's not a problem at all. I actually figured out that because I put in everyone's email addresses on my end, that if you go ahead and just hit login, okay, and then you hit this blue button that says continue with Google. All right, and I'll ask you a prompt about approving. That you can go in there with the email address. Don't worry about all of that. Just go ahead and hit approve. All right, and the home page that will come up for you will look similar to this. Okay, so depending on what class you're in of mine, that will come up here. And the assignments I have posted for this week are as follows. So I know it looks like a lot. There's 6 here. 2 of them are videos, and 3 of them are practice, and then you have a quiz at the end. All right, but you only have to get about 5 right. I think 5 to 7 correct on all of them in order to pass. Okay, so I'm asking of you to get an 80. So 4 out of 5 correct. Now you can continue to do these over and over and over again until you get them right. So let's go into this first one. So you would hit start, and actually the first one is just a video on place value, just a reminder of things we have gone over already.
What would it be?
All right, so not to be concerned about that. You obviously already know place value. This is really just an assignment to get everyone nicely acquainted with the website. And once everyone feels good about it, then we can move on and do a couple more assignments throughout the time that we're doing this online learning. Okay, so the due date is up here. It's Friday at midnight. Please let me know if that is a problem. If you run into any issues, just let me know, and we can talk about a potential extension. But the goal is to get it done by the end of the week. Okay, so those 6 should get done on Khan Academy. The other thing I have set up for you is iExcel. So I've starred the 2 lessons that I'd like you to complete this week. So the first one being M23, which some of you have attempted before, but nobody has reached any threshold that I need. So remember, we need an 85 or higher. So scaling, we did this in class. It's just choosing what happens to the number when it's being multiplied by a fraction. So remember, if it is being multiplied by 1, it stays the same. If it's multiplied by a number less than 1 whole, then it gets smaller. And if you multiply by something greater than 1 whole, it gets larger. Okay, so remember that for this assignment. But they'll have some tips and stuff on there as well. So try that. And then I would also like you to review just adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing with whole numbers. So just talking about word problems and depicting which operation you're going to be using here is great practice for some reading comprehension with math. Okay, so O2 I'm also going to ask you to complete. All right, so that's that. For those of you that still didn't complete your Castle Learning, make sure to get on there. The assignment is good until Friday at midnight for that one as well. So there's 30 questions under spring math review. The video for that, I explained how to get on there. The video for that is a little bit lower in the stream, but please let me know if you have any questions, and I can always repost that video for you. But like I said before, I miss you all, and I hope everybody's having a good time doing this online learning. I know it's new for everybody, but I'm really proud of you guys and how well you've rose to this challenge. So I hope you have a great day, and I